Hey guys, so today we're making some bok choy. Here is the bok choy, and we're gonna make this and put in some shrimp in it, some nice big shrimp. So we're gonna start off by sauteing some garlic. Sauteing the garlic. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Hope you're having fun or have been enjoying our website, our YouTube channel called Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Check all of our videos out. Comment, share our videos, like. Alright, to that we'll add some shrimp. Pardon the noise. So we'll put the shrimp in this garlic for a little bit.
The shrimp had seasoned before.
Yes, I just seasoned it with, you know, just black pepper and salt.
Onion powder and garlic powder.
I seasoned it and put it back in the fridge for a little bit. So. Sounds good, honey?
It smells really good. So as you guys noticed by now, she saute her shrimps with garlic. I do it with my green seasoning. So we have a few different ways in doing it. And everybody do it different. And these are the big jumbo size shrimp from Costco, wild caught. And as you can see, it's getting smaller and smaller.
It just shrinks, right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna like saute it a little bit before adding the bok choy. Alright, and then I'm gonna add some additional seasoning. I got onions and scallions, peppers, and some celery. Guys, it smells really awesome.
You can eat it just like this?
Yep, with rice.
And this baby bok choy is really, really delicious. And we're cooking brown rice. Uncle Ben brown rice. Whole grain. Very healthy.
Alright guys, so to this I'm just gonna add some cumin seeds, just a little bit. It flavors the food nicely. So try it out whenever you are making veggies or anything. I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme. A little bit of dry basil, otherwise known as nardman pork. Got some crushed black pepper seeds here. A little bit of black pepper. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add my bok choy, whatever you call it.
Sorry guys, it's not baby bok choy like I said. Bok choy, bok choy,
But they're all in the
whatever
same
they call
family.
it. Yeah.
This is grandfather bok choy and that's baby bok choy. These are what we get in Guyana if you guys are Guyanese.
Or in the Caribbean.
Or Asian, Asia have it too.
Yeah.
So I'll give it a stir. Let us know if you guys like bok choy and how often you cook it and how you cook it, how you make it, and what you eat it with. Is it rice, roti, pita bread, cartwheel, chota, toasty?
I'll eat mine.
Bake.
Oil roti.
Yeah. This is gonna
You're
taste
gonna have
heavenly.
brown rice.
And I'm gonna have brown rice.
Also got brown rice.
Yep. This is just healthy. And I have some sauteed chicken breast from yesterday. We should have that video up soon on the channel. Check it out. So I'll have some sauteed chicken breast with this and some brown rice. There you go. Alright, so we'll be back. Alright, guys, we're back. Checking on this bok choy. Looks amazing.
It smells really good.
Yeah. Just gonna add some tomatoes in here and one whole pepper for myself.
No pepper for me.
Boy, you don't eat pepper like me, so it's the whole problem.
Only one pepper you find?
Yeah. Oh, look at the bok choy. Life can't get better than this.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
This is almost done, right?
Well, we gotta let the tomatoes cook up, steam a little bit, but I mean, it depending how you like to eat your bok choy. Some people just steam it, some people cook it all the way down, and so on.
Okay. And Uncle Ben brown rice is done here, right?
No, it's almost done now.
Almost done?
Yeah.
Well, it did beat.
Okay.
Oh man, this smells really, really good.
All right.
I'll let it cook for a little bit more.
We'll be back 5 more minutes. Hi guys, so we're back. Here is our bok choy all cooked. We cooked it down a little bit. We didn't really steam it, but this is how we want it heated today.
Yeah, we didn't add any water. I think it loses its own water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there you go, bok choy and shrimp.
And Uncle Ben.
Served with brown rice.
Brown rice.
Thank you for watching. Hope you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure or consider subscribing. Leave a comment. Let us know how you like your bok choy, how you cook it, what you eat it with, and so on. Okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.